This video clip is to show you how to complete your award application. Once you have your full paper and your award application document ready, go to My Account. Enter your email address, your password. Click on Login. Under Event, you will see the proposal that has already been accepted. Click on the title of the proposal. Then click on Revise Event. This is the form you originally used to submit your proposal. Now your proposal has been accepted and you are submitting award application. So under submission purpose, you need to check Graduate Student Award Application. Under full paper, check on Upload File from your computer and upload your full paper. Under Additional Files, check this box so that on the next screen you can upload your award application document. Reason for update, enter Graduate Student Award Application and then click on Submit. This is where you submit your award application document. It shows uploaded award application letter. Click on Save. Continue. You are done with your award application.